Contractors, check it out. I'm bringing you today 10X Contractors, and let me tell you, I put something powerful together. I'm a contractor, so I'm 28 years old. Been through the whole journeyman, like from first year all the way to journeyman's local 2041. I'm a framer, but I ended up going into the fence industry. I opened up my own fence business. So I'm gonna tell you this: I don't like to waste money, and I like to make money. Money in the pocket's better than money out of pocket. Check this. You go that way, go hit the door, open it, and walk that way, waste more money, or you come this way. Guess what? You made the right choice. You're here. Let's do it. Check it out. Check it out. So, 10X Contractor. What is it? It's a system. It is a system because I, as a contractor, man, I've had so many different subscriptions. I've done, but don't get me wrong, they were good subscriptions. I was never out of pocket. I ended up making money, but that's because I know how to build systems. So what I did is I took all my years marketing, all of my years building other people money, and I built my own, man. I got my own platform. I got my own software, and being a contractor, I know what I need and I know what can make my life easier, faster, more productive, and that's why I got the 10X Contractor. So let's dig in. 10X Contractor, what is it? 10X Contractor, it's going to navigate personal growth, man. You guys are going to get exactly what you need. So let's go right into it. I'm going to show you where you're probably coming from. You guys are probably here from the contractor funnel. A funnel. A funnel is shaped in a downward triangle. And guess what? You start at the top, you got people's attention. Now you're interested. But then we're heading towards the sale. So this is a funnel you guys probably got here from there. And so yeah, 10X Contractor, you guys, I want you to watch this. If you haven't, watch this. This is going to be my testimonial. Great people.
Owners of Patient Boost.
So I'm going to put one spot here. I want you to hear
harder
this.
working individual.
Look at this.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, yeah, honestly, I don't think I've met a harder working individual.
That's me.
Or someone that is, yeah, like the energy that he has.
I bring it. I
the
bring it.
enthusiasm he has, like, to bring out the best in them. And
if we went back 2 years ago to when we started this thing, if we had Jared on our team, I think things would have been a lot different for the agency, because this guy he's I want to say, I don't want to say a grinder, because I feel like a grinder is the wrong word, but he definitely gets in there, gets stuff done.
I sure do. I sure do. So we're not going to take too much time there, guys. What I want to show you today is what I've built. 10X. Oh, by the way, all of these photos are mine. These are my jobs. This is a personal brand, man. I take pride in what I do. And I'm not putting any stock photos up here. You guys are dealing with the real deal. And I'm not bullshitting. I say how it is. You don't like it, then we both go other ways. I bring genuine results, and I bring a genuine solution because I'm using it. I put my own money into this and I'm using it. So what we got here is 10X Contractors. I created a software here called Jolt, and what Jolt does is it gives your business edge. Let's go to Jolt. 10X Contractors is a system built within my software. So let's go to, you guys are going to log in. You're going to get access here after you subscribe. And yeah, so here we are on the platform. And let's go to, yeah, so the funnel brings you there. Let's go back here. Secret profits. You guys make some secret money, man. Okay, so what happens when you land on 10X Contractors? You guys are going to get access to a dashboard. A dashboard shows you all your analytics. You know where your money is, man, at all times. All times. So what do we got? You got your leads, your closing, your conversions, opportunities, open opportunities. Opportunities are your leads. So when you bring leads from ads, we build your ads. We do it all, man. We do it all. And we got the system. We got the recipe. So yeah, you're going to track everything here. You're going to get to see where they are, what's happening at all times. Move your chess pieces, guys. Move them and move them in the right direction. So you get to put your Google Analytic reports here, your Google My Business, Facebook ads, Google ads, the whole 9 yards. Again, 10X Contractors is a system, and it's a system that works. You guys probably got Facebook, Instagram, whatever platforms you guys are trying to communicate on with your clients, it all comes here. It all integrates into the 10X Contractor system. So all you gotta do is a couple clicks, and that's here in social integrations. I'll get to that. It's a very easy to navigate. I made this user friendly so everybody can use it. There's not going to be a complication. It's all going to be built for you. You show up and I give you your product. You know how when you go to a job site and you sign that paper with your client, you tell them what you're going to do and you do what you say you're going to do? I do what I say I'm going to do, and I'm going to give you something that you can hold with your hands. You can move things around. You can create your money, man. You can pull it out of thin air. So let's get the calendars. This is where it gets good. We all have a problem scheduling things. It's our worst enemy. So I created a calendar system where you guys can put your employees in here, your crews. If you got different crews and they're doing different things, create a calendar for them. And you put them in here. They're going to get to know what's happening. Where is it? Why is it? What's the source? Booked by who? Where's the meeting? If it's an on-site meeting, where's the job site? You can do an on-site, so you could set this to go to an on-site. So you went back to the funnel. You guys fill this out. You guys are gonna book a time. Your clients are gonna book a time. You don't have. This is gonna buy your time back. So they're gonna book a time. I'm gonna keep this under 10 minutes. We're already at 5, so let's run this. We're gonna speed run this and save this for a demo. I want you guys come here, book a demo, and I will walk you through this. I need to know that you're interested. Your client's going to book a time. It's going to go to on-site. Let's run this speed run. Go back. You guys get your contacts. I can't show you that due to confidentiality, but all your contacts, just like anything, inbound, outbound, they're all going to go there. Opportunities. This is where it gets good. You guys are going to get to know where your leads are, what stage they're at. You can put the titling on this, anything you want. Flooring, bricklaying, landscaping, grass maintenance, lawn maintenance, whatever you want. Tile, drywall, whatever you're doing, guys. This is applicable 10 ways to Sunday. So we got the clean system. You're always going to see where they're at, and we want the sale. You guys can, this is where the power's at. Invoicing. You guys probably paying a hefty invoicing subscription. You guys probably paying another subscription for contracts to like your scope of work or your contract agreements, whatever it is. You guys probably have another one, Panda Docs, Google Docs, whatever. We do it all here. It's all one place, guys. One place. Templates, contracts, the 9 yards, invoicing. You can do your invoices, send out invoices, manage estimates, do orders. So if you got to do an order, purchase order, you can do it here. Payment links, you can send them right there, have them pay, go right to your account. Coupons, you guys want to do some specials? We're at 7 minutes now. Okay, we'll speed it up. Automations. This is also power, because when you have an automation, you don't have to lift a finger, my man. You just let the system do your work. Get rid of the administration, or just keep them on low hours. Stop spending money. Spend it very smart, and you're going to get optimal results. Lead to nurture, lead to demo. So if you guys have Facebook ads running, we're going to capture the info. We're going to take that. We're going to put it in here, trigger a workflow, and then a lot of words, right? So this is probably a blast of information for you. I could break it down. I have tutorials, everything for you. It's not complicating. Spend a weekend. I'm always here too, so that's a big thing. We're at 8 minutes now. Big thing is I am here for my people. I am here for you because, dude, I wish I had this when I first started contracting. If I did, I would have made a lot more. Texting. We do inbound, outbound texting. You get a phone number, a company phone number. We host phone lines. Email systems. We have all that integrated. You can set auto emails, so you can create a drip campaign like this. I'm recording right now, so it's probably gonna lag. Okay, come on, we're at 8:39. I need another monster. I'm not energetic enough. Okay, we'll come back to this then. We'll go through here. Once your clients book something, they're going to follow into what we're trying to load right now. It's a workflow, and they're going to give you information. As soon as they give you information, you have them. They're opted in. You can contact them. They're always yours. Cool. Opt in. And then they go into your pipeline. We can fill this out however you want. Create the forms however you need for your business. Put a thank you video here. Show them you care. All right, there we go. We're in. So let's zoom in. What I just did triggered this, and then it creates an opportunity. So now we're captured. We know what they want, where they are, what they have. We wait a bit. We send them an automatic text message, and yeah. So everything's done automatically, guys. Emailing the whole 9 yards. I'm gonna save a lot of this. Book a call with me. Let's get on. Let's get you systemized. Let's buy your time back. We're so short of it, dude. Well, I'm only 28, but I'm coming around that 30 mark where life is just flying. And I don't want to tell you that because you're probably older than me. So buy your time back. We're short of it. Go do things with your family. Go do things with friends. Go for a beer. Go sit on a patio for lunch. Check on your phone and see where the boys are at. Okay, you guys good? Check your systems. You could work anywhere in the city and get results. Awesome. I'll see you around. 10X Contractors. Let's go. Before I forget, I also forgot to tell you this. So for the next 3 days, I'm running 30% off. So here you go. Take a look at this. Just come to the funnel, claim your spot, click a button, and then book a time with me. And you're gonna, if you do it within the next 3 days, you're going to get 30% off. So sign up. Make sure you do it because trust me, guys, this is value.